Hey there everybody, it's James here at Black Wolf Outdoors. Just getting down here on the river, getting ready to head down to go fishing. Got plans on staying here all night, see what happens. Here's the river. Right that way is where Scotty caught his smallies. Stretches all the way down. Goes all the way back. Oop, there's some bait fish popping top. Get all the way down there, that's where I'm gonna be at, down there by that bluff. Got a nice deep pocket, lots of structure. It's gotta have something in it. Alright, well, go and put this thing up and start heading down the river. I'll see y'all when I get back. Or I should say, see y'all when I get down there. Bye. Alright everybody, I'm down here. Got one line out. See if we get a daytime bite. It's got a little my secret weapon on it, so I got good faith in it. Oh, there's a bite right now. Let's see what it turns into. This is the area. Alright, I'll get back to you, see what happens. Alright, we're getting a bite here. Nope, I missed it. Alright, catch you guys back in a minute. Alright, it's got this little guy. So there's one fish. What y'all think? A little bigger, I might think about keeping him, but we're gonna let him go. And there it goes. On again. Oh, there's some big carp coming by right there. Oh, here he comes, coming to the top. See him out there? He's another one, just like the first one. Now let me know, y'all. Growing up, we called these things goggle eye. Am I wrong, or I don't know? I've heard rock bass, I've heard goggle eye. You let me know, please. All right, there we go. Getting back. On with another one. Pretty much see him out there, I think. There he is. Come on, guy. Call him an old-fashioned lure. Ooh, come on, buddy. Alright, let me get him unhooked. Be right back. Alright, well hello there everybody. James here again, Black Wolf Outdoors. Fishing trip I had the other day. Stayed around to about midnight. Wasn't really getting anything substantial. So I went in and called it pretty early. Got back home. Did get those 3 catches during the day. That made my trip pretty good. Thank you all for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.